We stand with the people. We stand for the people. We stand with those chasing a dream. We stand with those that are challenging the status quo. To become a doctor, take over the family business, or just be molded into a life that no one could really ever care about. We stand for the pursuit of ambitions. And we know that there are struggles. This shit's hard, but we keep it real with you. But stay dedicated, trust in us, and believe in yourself. You'll see that with time, with patience, you'll become a version of yourself you never once thought possible. It's not about being a beast. It's not about being a lion. It's about becoming you and discovering who you were always meant to be. So, are you with us? We aim to create a world full of world-class performers, to make the world realize their limitless potential. We are the most courageous football family in the world. We want to create the best place in football. With the effective family, you're embodying hard work, dedication, and self-belief, not into you only, but into every athlete in the world. If nobody has ever told you, I'm going to tell you now. I believe in you. Whatever your dream may be, hold on to it. This is about giving every individual in the world a place where they can live, grow, and be courageous. To live courageously and to make the world say, I can do anything. We are the spark that inspires courage to chase your dreams. You don't know if it's going to happen, but courage is an attitude, not an event. And we'll inspire you to work on your goals. And as a family, we'll keep each other motivated. We make the choice to put ourselves in an environment which is uncomfortable because we know that uncomfortableness, it breeds greatness. And we don't just know that hard work beats talent, we live it every day, every single day. We represent the idea that if you want something in life, you can achieve it. If you have a dream, you should chase it, because what's an extraordinary life without the pursuit of every one of your life missions?